My name's William, and I'm 18 this year and currently studying in ITE Business. And this is my friend, he's Janus. We live in the same estate and study in the same school. Janus travels to school via his foldable bicycle every morning and I take the bus. I thought buses are always a quicker option, but Janus proved me wrong. Many times I would miss to catch my bus or stuck in traffic, causing me to be frequently late for school. One day, Janus introduced me to the bike atrium, telling me how great cycling to school would be. Here at the bike atrium, they have a variety of models and I easily find the best fit for my budget and preference. So no more chasing for buses, no more stuck in traffic, no more being late for classes, and I save for my transportation. A great investment for my alternative and healthier option to travel around. Now I cycle with him to school every day. Not only that, we also explored more places in Singapore on bikes, making new friends, and I love my new hobby of keeping myself active outdoor and healthy.